Hello everyone, I am Mrs Esther Massey. Welcome back to another session of Lesson 3, Democracy and Diversity. Today we will study about 3 determinants of political outcomes. That is, people's perception about their identities, role of political leaders, and attitude of the government. 3 determinants of political outcome. 3 factors are very important in deciding the outcome of politics of social division. First one is people's perception about their identities. In first place, the outcome depends on how people perceive their identities. If people see their identities in singular and exclusive term, it becomes very difficult to accommodate them. But if they think that their identities are multiple and complementary with the national identity, the situation becomes much easier and better. For example, most of the people of India and Belgium think themselves as Indian and Belgian, as well as belonging to a state or a language group. Second is the role of political leaders. The outcome of politics depends on how political leaders raise the demands of any community. It is easier to accommodate demands which are within the constitutional framework and are not at the cost of another community. The majoritarian measure adopted by Sri Lankan government for the Sinhala supremacy was at the cost of the interest and identity of Tamil communities in Sri Lanka. In Yugoslavia, demand of leaders of different ethnic communities could not be accommodated within a single country. And the third is attitude of the government. Lastly, it depends on how the government reacts to the demand of different groups. If the rulers of the majority community are willing to share power and accommodate the reasonable demand of the minority, social divisions become less threatening for the country. But if in the name of national unity, attempts are made to suppress those demands, the result is the opposite. In a democracy, political expression of social division is very normal and can be healthy. This allows various disadvantages and marginal social groups to express their grievances and the government to resolve them. Sometimes, social differences lead to unacceptable level of social inequality and injustice. The struggle against such inequality often leads to take path of violence and disobey of state authority. History shows that democracy is the best way to fight for recognition and also to accommodate diversity. Students, I hope you all have understood this lesson. Thanks for watching this video.